How to connect GoDaddy domain to WordPress. Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to connect GoDaddy domain to WordPress. Let's get started. First, open your WordPress dashboard and log into your account. At the right side, under Quick Links, click on Add a Domain. Adding a domain here will allow you to use your own domain. Next, you will see an option that says Already Own a Domain. Click on Use it as a site address. Now, simply enter your GoDaddy domain URL, then click Continue to begin the process connection. WordPress will give you two options. Transfer your domain to WordPress, which will move your domain registration from GoDaddy to WordPress. Or connect your domain. This keeps your domain on GoDaddy but connects it to your WordPress site. Choose the options that works best for you, and take note that connecting your domain may involve some additional billing through WordPress. Just follow the on-screen instruction, enter any required information, and you will have your GoDaddy domain connected to your WordPress website. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.